When inverting, we can see battery voltage and wattage. We can see AC voltage and frequency. Revision of the software revision of the inverter. Software revision of the remote. To turn the inverter off, you release the button and the loads turn off. To re-enable the inverter, just push the button and you'll see the inverter turn on. When plugged into shore running the generator, you'll see the AC symbol flashing while it qualifies AC. And then you'll see power going to the loads and power going to the charger.